Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar. There is a big news. OpenCode announced Qwen 3.6 Plus model as free model again on their desktop app on API as well. So in the last video we used MiniMax 2.5 model with Claude Code, and now we will change it to Qwen 3.6 Plus model. So if you have not done the base setup, please watch my previous video. Link is in the description. So question arises, why should we upgrade? So both models are free for now through OpenCode, and Qwen 3.6 Plus model is like built for agentic coding, multi-file project, complex terminal operations. So it is like much more powerful than Minimax 2.5 model, and it will surprise you that Qwen 3.6 Plus model beats Claude Opus 4.5 model on terminal task also. So let's have a benchmark look. So if we go to the bridge bench, you can see that Qwen 3.6 Plus model stands at the 7th ranking, which is like above GPT 5.5. I think it is like not that real, but it is much more powerful. Okay, so if we go to the artificial analysis and we see the a little comparison between Qwen 3.6 Plus and Minimax 2.5 model, then you can see that the Qwen 3.6 Plus model gets input image, okay, image as the input, while the Minimax 2.5 model is text only. The token is like 1 million, I think, and it is much smaller than Qwen 3.6. So you can see this like comparison yourself. I am putting the link in the description. If we go to the open router, you can see that 1 million context length for Qwen, and same like input modalities, image and videos are also as the input accepted in the Qwen 3.6 Plus model. So what should we change? Let me tell you, OpenCode desktop app gets it like inbuilt. Just update the app if it is not updated, and you can use this model in the OpenCode desktop app like just by installing it or updating the app. It works by default, nothing to do in the OpenCode app. But if you want to change it in the Claude Code, or you are new to setup, then watch my previous video, then watch this video. Go to your .claude directory at the username root folder. Let me show you it again. As you can see, it is working. So open your directory, go to your C drive, go to users and your username, and here it is a Claude directory, .claude directory, and there is a settings.json file. We need to edit this file. You can open it anywhere. Let me open it in VS Code so that it will be easy to understand for most of them. So earlier we did this setting, okay, this environment setting. All you need to do is just change this to Qwen 3.6 Plus and then free model. Okay, all you need to do this. Don't worry about this API key. I will roll out this API key once the video is done. Okay, just save this file, and now launch the, let me go to my projects. Okay, let me go to this project and let me open the Claude here. Okay, so let me show you. If we go to model, and it shows as Qwen 3.6 Plus model to be using, and if we say hi, okay, it is replying, what's this project about? So as you can see, it just give the overview of our project. So it is working in Claude Code. And one more thing, if you are doing serious development work inside Claude Code, then Qwen 3.6 Plus model is a better choice right now. So change it from the Minimax. So subscribe and hit the like button if this video helped you. See you in the next one. Thank you.